Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to remove the Notepad cache in Windows 11. Working constantly with the Notepad generates a cache that might affect the performance of the Notepad, so for this reason it is ideal that you get rid of the cache. To start, log into your PC and type in the search bar, Settings. Then click the Apps icon in the left side of the settings. Select Installed Apps, and then type Notepad in the search bar. Click the three dots in the right side of your Notepad application, and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down in here to find the Reset option. Click it. After this, your Notepad will be reset, and all of the cache in the app will be properly removed. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope this tutorial helps you on your current and future projects.